That FBF file is a remnant of Facebook's discontinued photo book printing service. Layout data from a photo book project that can no longer be ordered. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you access or recover data from these photo book project files. The fastest way to confirm a file state is with a dedicated file reader. It's better at handling FBF files with integrity issues than most dedicated programs. FBF files are photo book project files from Facebook's discontinued photo book printing service. They contain page layouts, photo references, text captions, and design template data for custom photo books that were ordered through the Facebook platform for physical printing. Facebook FBF files use a proprietary format storing page layout geometry, photo placement coordinates, caption text, and template reference data. They are tied to the Facebook platform and require the Facebook photo book service for rendering, which is no longer available. The recommended application from Meta Platforms Inc. for handling FBF is unequivocally Facebook. Windows can read the file name, but the internal archive contents require specialized extraction. Windows may give a quick look, but proper work must be done in dedicated design applications. Let's find the specific program that understands the file structure. Right-click the FBF file and hit Open With. Test Facebook if available. If not, choose a different app. Compatibility is the likely issue. Since the application couldn't handle the FBF file, we shift focus. I want you to perform these 3 essential recovery steps immediately. First, recovering photos. Since the Facebook photo book service is discontinued, FBF files cannot be opened natively. Access the original photos through your Facebook account by navigating to your Photos section. Download all photos using Facebook's Download Your Information feature in Settings and Privacy. Next, recreating the photo book. Download your photos from Facebook and use a modern photo book service such as Shutterfly Snapfish or Apple Photos to recreate your photo book. Import your downloaded images and design a new layout using the service's templates and customization tools. Finally, Archival Considerations. FBF files have limited utility outside the Facebook ecosystem. Save any important photos independently by downloading them directly from Facebook. Store downloaded images in organized folders with backups on cloud storage or external drives for long-term preservation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.